Can you say mineral spirit?
Mary.
That's a hard one. Mineral spirit. Ah! We're going to install here a new handrail. Lend-to-hand external assistant rail. Made in the USA. So we could go right about there.
That's way too high.
Seems too kind of high, doesn't it? It should must be like about there, hey?
Yeah.
When you're here, just a second. Comfortably, your hand would be about there. I could put it underneath there. Or I know what I could do. I could move that one up. I pop those off.
And then we can.
Then I could cover that hole. Let's see, if it was there, can your hand get it when you go down? Not bad, hey?
It's me. We're doing that. We're doing that.
I'm gonna put this handrail on right here. This right here. Thinking about putting it right about there. Is that a good spot?
We did that. Oh.
You did take this one out? Okay, let's do it. You and me. You and me?
And we the pot. And.
Okay, I'll get the screwdriver and you can help me.
Screwdriver.
No, we got this one here. One. And two. Okay, come on up. Oh, you come up here. You can put this right in here like that.
I'm gonna look that kid.
Yeah, come on up. Ready? Go. A little more. More. That was a long one, hey? Okay, we'll put this over here. Another one. Okay, go. Go, more. More. Got it. Good job. Can you go up to this one?
Up in there.
Okay, do it right there. Do it. That's the button. Oh, that was too much. Let Daddy get it. Going the wrong way. There you go. A little more. Got it. Okay, one more. Okay, go. Go. More. Okay, you see if you can pull it off. Like this?
One more.
Pull it. Ah! Okay, I gotta clean that up. That's a mess, hey?
Yeah.
And then we'll move this up to maybe there. Right? So we just gotta clean this one right here.
On it.
Yeah.
And open and shut. Open and shut.
Open and shut.
Yeah.
Where's my tool? You're gonna do what? Here it is. I got the tool. There's a scraper. Come over, help me. A little bit of mineral spirit. Can you say mineral spirit?
Mary.
That's a hard one. Mineral spirit. That's right. Let me take.
Like
You have to wear gloves wearing this one.
Okay, I'll wear one.
You're gonna get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down and choose.
But it cleans it right up. Nice and clean, eh? Nice and clean. It smells stinky because it is stinky. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take my glove off now. Where did that handrail go? Oh, oh there it goes. Yeah. Okay, let's just see. So if you're coming up, yeah.
No. No.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them. You need a wipe? Is it messy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need another wipe?
Not done.
We're just pre-drilling the holes here for the handrail. We're going to pop it off and add a little bit of RV sealant to the holes as well as the side, right where it touches on the door there. Then we can install it back on and secure those screws in, and they'll be weather sealed completely. If you haven't already, now would be a great time to subscribe.
Alright, we're complete the installation here. So it's both ways. That feels really good. And the door shut. That's perfect. Yeah. And you can go the other way there.
The lend-a-hand handrail is a very nice product. This is our third time installing it on our RVs. Covers the staircase nicely and it feels safe and secure. I think you're really going to enjoy it.